everyone, this is Cindy with Creating the Heart, and I'm back with what I'm calling a huge die haul. So first, if you can see over here, I've got my little embellishments. I just recently posted a video about these. I just have them on my desk because I love to look at them. But this haul is going to be Crafter's Companion, Sizzix, and the Spellbinders Warehouse die. So first of all, Crafter's Companion had like a clearance sale, and I wanted to pick up some items that I just haven't been able to get yet. So all the items that I got, I want to say it was $50 shipped, because if you do $50, then the shipping is free. So I did buy this, which is the Crafter's Inspiration Craft Kit and Magazine. So I'm going to open this up because honestly, I'm probably going to toss this box because it's big and I don't need all of that. So what you get in this is you get the Crafter's Inspiration Magazine, and this one is the autumn issue. You get this, which is a CD-ROM, a DVD. I don't know if this is something that I'm going to use. I don't use Spectrum Noir markers, but I'm sure you can use these with Copics. But you also get, I believe, digital papers and some other digital things. It says 7 digital collections. So I'll definitely check it out. So I got that as well as the magazine. And then it also included, which is the reason why I really wanted it, and was a good price, was this little house stamp set. It's a Gemini stamp set. It comes with all the pieces to make this house, which you could even like make a box, and then this house pieces could be used to decorate that box, which I think is really cute. So you get all the pieces to make that, as well as a stamp set with kind of accompanying features and items that you could use for your house, which I think is adorable. So I got that. See, I put that over there because I'm going to put that way. Okay, then also I got this vintage tea party, which I think I have a teapot for it. I have something else that goes with it. But anyway, you get the stacking teacups, and you also get the little saucers that go with it. You can stack them together or you can use them separately. So I love that. I think they make really cute embellishments or just little accompaniments to cards and other things. So it's really cute. And then I saw someone use this in a really cute video. They made like vellum shakers with this that were super cute. But this is the jam jar with the little tags. And I actually sometimes need teeny tiny tags that I don't really have. So that's kind of cool. But I love that. It's very small because I do have a big mason jar, and this one's smaller, which I think is nice sometimes if you're doing small embellishments. And then I got this sweet tooth. You make a layered cake and cake stand. It's really beautiful. So I got that. And then I also got this one, which I got this mainly for when I do flowers and things. I can make my own kind of arrangements with these little pieces. These are pine cones and leaves. So that's kind of why I got this one, because I thought it would work really well in terms of creating my own arrangements. So making a little fuller flower. So that's why I got that. That's from the Winter's Tale. And then I also got this one, which is a really good price. I can't remember exactly, but like I said, everything shipped was $50. So black and gold collection, and it's just the word cheers. So I do find her fonts to be very, very delicate. I probably need to use some sort of a shim or a matte, I don't know, to get an easier impression, because I do find them hard to get out. And then this one is a heart die. It's called Forever in My Heart. You get 2 pieces, so you get kind of a layering piece. So you get this intricate piece as well as a solid heart piece. All kind of works together. I thought that was beautiful. So that's what I got from Crafter's Companion. And then my Spellbinders, I got this die, which is a steel rule die. It's the globe die. And I know that Tim Holtz has one. I think I have the little one of Tim Holtz. But this is a bigger one, and this will cut a lot of different types of materials. So I did get that. And I had points to use, so I didn't spend very much actual money because I had some points. I got this one, which is the banana leaf card front. And so I believe this says this has 2 dies. So I think it's got a piece that you could cut for the backing of it, as well as the banana leaf portion. And then I got this one, which is the apple, which I liked because I think you can create a shaker. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's got a layering. I think it's just layering pieces. So I liked that. And then strawberry die. Comes with 10 pieces and all the little bits and pieces to make your very cute strawberry. And then this is the Swirl Bliss Pocket. So I was excited to get that. I got this one. I think this was only $1. Get that dog out of here.
He's on my lap.
No, I don't want that dog in here. My daughter just brought her stinky dog into my room. Okay, so this one, I think it was only $1. So I got that one. This trophy die, which I thought was cute. And then I got this one, which makes a pine cone. So I was just curious to make a 3D pine cone and see how that would work. So that's my Spellbinders warehouse die. Everything was $1, $3, or $5. And then Sizzix had a sale where everything was, well, up to 70% off. So it just kind of depended. But anyway, this is a Tim Holtz Alterations punch. A lot of his punches were on sale. I want to say this one's $2.40. And I got this one strictly as, I forgot that I had gotten the Crafters Companion one, but this is really cool too. A punch is always nice to do quick little sprays and little bits and pieces to layer onto projects. So I got that. And then, let's see, what else did I get? I got this banner and keys die. So this is like a Sizzix die. So it comes with 3 different little dies to make all the little layering pieces to make this. Basically, you can make this. So there's that. And then this one is the retro camera and icons. Comes with 6 dies to make this cute camera. And then it's got all these little pieces. Like this can probably, go on the top of this. I don't know. But I think it's really cute. And so it's just, I don't know, got all these pieces to make it. I don't know what this is. This that piece? I don't know what that little foamy piece is. But anyway, there's the die. So I got that one. And then, to reach down here, I got this one, which is this vintage scale. And then it comes with the embossing folder to make the scale portion. So obviously you don't need to use that. You could do something else with the center, which is probably what I'm going to do. But it was a really good price, so I did get that. And I just love the packaging. I didn't know the packaging. I should know already. I have a bunch of Rent-A Walton, but these are celestial stars, or stars of celestial. So it makes, I don't know if this is one die, I'm pretty sure. And I think it makes these 3 sizes, or these 2 sizes of sort of 3D stars. And then this one right here, which I thought was really fun for embellishments. I had to put these on the ground because they were not of space. And then I got this Brenda Walton Biggs die, and it makes this layered cake. So I got that. And then I broke down and got this because I needed $50. And the price on this was just outrageously good. And that is this one right here. And this is, I think I hope I have a thing large enough to cut this sucker. This is a Scoreboard XL frame die. So the size of your frame, it's an Eileen Hole die. It says 5 by 4 1/4. So I don't know, something to try. So I got all these wonderful dies. They were all a really, really good price. Like I said, I believe all of this stuff right here was $50 for one, two, three, four, five, six, 7 things. If you don't even count this, that's 6 dies. And they're pretty good sized dies for $50, which is pretty good, about $8 or $9 a die. And I know that I feel like the Brenda Walton ones are going to be retired soon. I do believe that they're going to be retired soon because this one's been around for a while. It's been around as long as that. They remind me of George Washington and Martha Washington. I have those like that couple, that kind of vintage, like colonial style couple. That is a Brenda Walton die. And that one is getting harder. It's like on clearance everywhere. And so it came out about the same time as this die. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crying with the Heart.